Want to see first Instagram message without scrolling? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to open up your Play Store or App Store and then search for this app, tap scroll. Make sure to install this on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on open. Now tap next. Now go ahead and toggle it on. Tap on agree. Now, once this app has been toggled on, you want to head over to Instagram. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the message icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and select any conversation where you want to see the first message. Now go ahead and tap on the status bar. And once you do that, it will take you to the very first message without scrolling. And with this, you can easily see the first Instagram message without scrolling. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.